Hey, what's going on, hustlers? La Machine here, and I came across an article that I thought was kind of interesting, and I thought, you know what? Let me share it with you guys. Now, we're doing this with the thought, okay, if you've watched me over time figure out how to literally double my revenue, okay, from 15-ish thousand a month to consistently now over 30,000 a month. If you're gonna get that, the best thing I could do for you is to let you inside my mind. You have to learn my thinking, how I process information. That way I can come up with strategies that work, and you're going to be able to do the same thing. So anytime you've got somebody that's going to let you inside of their mind, okay, you need to take advantage of it. Not when they're trying to sell you something, when they're trying to give you something, And along those lines, make sure you sign up for the free video course that we have out available now. Link will be pinned in the chat and down in the description so that you can learn how to use the software Tactical Arbitrage. You guys know that's the software that I use. Also sign up for the Snackfood Symposium. That is a whole webinar that we put together for your benefit. But let's get into this article that I came across. And of course, you know I always got something to say. So let's just get right to it. Now, what you'll notice, first of all, is this article came from Shopify. So, of course, they're trying to encourage you to get on their platform. Shout out to Shopify. I don't have a problem with them. Just total transparency. I actually plan on getting a Shopify store myself. I don't have it now. Right now, I have my website up through a provider called Volusion. They go back way back to 2004 when I started. Maybe it was 2005 when I got my website on their platform. At this point, I need to move. Now, you know, so stand on that for a second. So what you'll notice, first of all, when it comes to Shopify, you guys know I didn't build a business that's doing 30,000 plus a month in revenue on Shopify. I did it on Amazon. Now, here's the thing about that, because there's advantages and there's disadvantages. So let's just look at that real quick. So when you talk about Amazon, the biggest thing when it comes to Amazon, as far as I'm concerned, is the marketing, right? Because in order to get your business seen by people, somebody's got to do the marketing. But for roughly about $40 a month, Amazon does so much. They do all of the marketing for you. Now, if you go with Shopify, that's fine. But so a plus on the marketing. On Shopify, we're going to say that the marketing gets a minus because you got to spend the money. Now, how much? I don't know, but I will tell you this. You can't spend enough. There's no amount of money that you could spend to get the exposure that you're going to get on Amazon. Over 300 million people, you can't buy it. I don't care if you got Elon Musk money. You cannot buy that kind of exposure. So that is a plus when it comes to Amazon. But here's where you get your disadvantage and advantage when it comes to. So when you sell on Amazon, one of the biggest problems is you don't own. So we're going to say, we're just going to call that ownership. Ownership and ownership. Bear with me, guys. I'll get better with this. So ownership is a negative with Amazon and a plus with Shopify. You got to understand, guys, when you sell on Amazon, you don't own the customers, and they will check you on it real quick if you're confused. So you can be kicked off of the platform at any time. And I'm speaking from experience because that's the way I like to do it. I've been kicked off the platform. And when they done with you, oh, they done. And then you get to jump through hoops. If you've built your entire platform, if you've built your entire business model on their platform, for any reason, they can kick you off. For any reason, they can say, hey, can't sell this product anymore. For any reason, they can say, hey, and they do say, don't be talking to our customers, except to as it pertains to selling the products that we let you sell to them. See, when you're on Shopify, that is your customer. You own them. You can communicate with them as much as you want. You can price the way you want to price. You're not going to get kicked off of a platform because you're not on a platform. That is huge. So I had to put that out there right off the bat because it's important. But let's get into the article, and we're not going to stay on it too long because you know me, I got to run my mouth and tell you my 2 cents. So they had an article, 20 trending products and things to sell online in 2025. Let's just go over it real quick. Hey, what's up, working class hustlers? I wanted to take a brief break from this video. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am, but did you know that 58% of the people that watch this channel, watch these videos, are not subscribed to the channel? So there's a good chance that you're not subscribed. So if you would take a moment to subscribe to the channel, it would mean so much. It would be awesome. And tell you what, you will be showing myself and my producer Jim that you appreciate the over 500 videos that we've put together for your benefit. So hit that subscribe button and we would really appreciate it. We're actually trying to get this channel up to 10,000 subscribers, and you're going to help us do it. So thank you in advance. Number 2, if you're somebody that's really trying to take your Amazon business to the next level, or you just want to get into selling on Amazon, you guys know I use the software Tactical Arbitrage. I've been using it and teaching it right here on this channel for years. And you might know that I've been wanting to put together a free video course, a real course that's worth money, but I want to give it to you for free. This is my gift to you. If you're serious and you really want a leg up and a way to understand the software that's so powerful, it has helped me double my revenue up to 30,000 plus a month. If this is something that would be interested in you, the wait is over. The link is in the description. Hustlers, don't waste time. I can't wait to see you there. Now back to the video. Let's just go over it real quick. The 20 things. So vitamins and supplements, I concur with that. Skincare and makeup, I would say those are like the same category. I have sold them. I think they're great. Coats and jackets, that's seasonal. You get a lot of returns with those. I'm not saying that you can't make money with it. Bicycles, especially when you get these e-bikes that are out now. Those are cool, but they're kind of heavy. You can still work it. But another thing about this article, they're promoting drop shipping. I do not recommend that. That may be something you could get into later. I don't know. Arts and crafting material, very, very good. Drinkware, I've sold. It can be fragile if it's not plastic. I don't mind it, but it's a good one. Perfume and cologne, I haven't had a lot of success with that. Now, in this particular article, I think they were talking more along the lines of you producing your own, and they mentioned in the article that according to them, people are going from the his and hers type to more of an androgynous scent that both men and women can wear. I don't know, because I'm not really into fragrance. I probably should be. Might smell better. Wine, I definitely, I wouldn't get into this because I don't even know how you could sell that on Amazon. I'm sure you can, but there's more to it. I'm not into that. Socks. Interesting. I put that under clothing. I think that would be good. And socks, you're not going to get as many returns, I don't think. Bed sheets could be good. Posters and artwork, definitely not one that I get into. Candles, oh my God, people love them. I think, again, in the article, I think they were talking more about you making your own candles. I'm not interested in that. But if you can get into candles, I would say yes. Bath and body, I kind of lump that in along skincare, makeup. Very, very consistent. I love products where you can get the repeat customers, you know, the replenishables. That's a good one for that. Cookware, I have sold. They're good, but not exactly my favorite. Nail care, very good. I kind of lump that in under personal care. Very good with that. Whether it's nail polish and things, files, things like that. Underwear, I have sold very little of that, although it's a good one. Some of y'all wouldn't know because you don't wear it. But motor vehicle parts, definitely a good one. I fought so hard because years ago it was really hard to get ungated on Amazon for automotive. I got in it and haven't really done anything. I got to look back over that. This is good that we're doing this right now, you and I, because, you know, this is jarring my memory and getting me, you know, excited about getting into some categories that I haven't been in a while. Mobile phone accessories. Oh my God, that is huge if you could get into it. Now, again, this article is probably going to push you towards you creating your own aftermarket products for phones. But oh my God, everybody has a phone. If there's a way for you to get into mobile phones and accessories, get into it. Blankets. Now, here's the thing, guys. We're going to go down the line and we're going to talk about what I sell and why I think what I sell trumps all of this. So I'm just going to go down the line on this. Okay. Vitamins and supplements. That's great. It's replenishable. But the people who are taking vitamins and supplements, you know what else they use on a daily basis? I mean, every single day. Groceries, right? They got to eat food. People who like skincare, they also eat food every day. People that use makeup, you know what else they use? Every day. Food. And down the line we could go. People that like coats and jackets, food. Bicycles, people who ride bicycles, you know what they do? They eat food. Oh my God, we're just going to go down the line. I'm not going to let you go. So just stay with me. Arts and crafts, food, drinkware, falls right in with food. Perfume and cologne, food. People that drink wine, food. People that wear socks, food. Bed sheets, food. Posters and artwork, food. Candles, food. It just keeps coming back to food, guys. Bath and body, food. Cookware, food. Nail care, food. Underwear, food. Motor vehicle, food. People that have mobile phones eat food. And people that use blankets eat food. I'm telling you guys, picking the right product is so important when it comes to putting the odds in your favor of whether or not you can be successful. I keep pushing foods. Now, of course, you guys know I've niched down into snack food. That's why we have the Snackfood Symposium for you to learn about it. But it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. If it is food and drink, you can't lose. It's like food is a non-negotiable. I can decide if I want to use skincare, makeup, if I want to wear a coat, if I want to ride a bicycle, if I want to wear socks. I cannot choose whether or not I want to eat unless I'm ready to die. So this is why I encourage the food industry. It doesn't matter what platform you're on. Of course, I'm talking about, I do it on Amazon. I do it on, Walmart. You can sell it on your own website. And that is another place that I'm going to be moving to. So you will hear me talking about that. Maybe as I build my Shopify store out, I'll talk more about that. Guys, make sure you take advantage of all the resources down in the description. We would really appreciate a like, a share, a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.